Yes, dear Forex Abia, it's another good morning, and we are just after the non-farm payrolls. That means the week has been will now flow smoothly because after the first week of every month and after the US job numbers, because last week was quite a busy week. Fundamentally, because that's where you should start every time you're trading the forex market. You can check what you were expecting last week. You can check the job numbers for the month of June in the US. They did beat the expectations. The average hour earnings remained the same. But again, if you check on the unemployment rate, actually did increase with 0.1% from 4 to 4.1%. That's minimal, but had a big effect because if you check on the currencies, what actually happened, that way you found that, especially from gold and other majors, the market did actually misbehave in a big way. And then after that, you can check all these gaps that we're opening with today. That was the reason for that. That's why you find the market had to dip down so that it can feed that liquidity, and then the market now can flow smoothly in the FX market. Now, remember, you always start on this weekly roundup. You must at least check what actually is happening for this week. Then this week, we need to know what is actually happening, especially from the fundamentals, because these are the ones that can change the market. And one of the key things that you need to notice, like if you check, like especially on today, Tuesday, we don't have much, just a Fed speech, and mostly it's later into the New York session. That means we're already done with the trading. But if you check on Wednesday, we have the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, we have the rate statement, and you can check it is at 5.50%. So anything can happen from this one because nowadays you are getting surprises, especially for now, since the inflation is okay, especially with the most European countries, and the economic after post-COVID, now everything is okay. So the market has the price has stabilized, except some few regions where we are having some cases of like political instability. Like you remember very well, UK had just an election whereby now we have Sir Starmer now as the new prime minister after Lee Sunak was defeated, and now we have change of hands, but very smoothly. GBP didn't misbehave. Again, if you check like on Wednesday, then we have the notorious CPI from US. Hereby nowadays, what we are experiencing much volatility coming from this part of the CPI. So it's again another point whereby we need to check, especially when we are trading USD. So on you can check on Wednesday and Thursday. On Tuesday, at least on Wednesday, we have NZD. Wednesday, we have the CPI, that is key. And then on Friday, we have the PPI. So these are the key things. And one key thing you need to note is that, especially during the New York session, the market is becoming quite volatile, especially we have some new releases. It used to happen between the years 2016, 17, but now it's back. It's back, especially during the CPI, the job numbers and all that. But apart from that, most of the currencies nowadays are moving smoothly. You can check the overall trends are quite good. We don't have much of the surprises. Even on gold, you can check. It's only that the market had hit a point of if you check on all these points here, we had too much, or what we call much of. We didn't have good trends, so there was quite raging here on the market. That's why you have quite some quite chaotic movements, especially on gold. And the other key thing you need to note is on gold, on BTC or on Bitcoin. You can check after hitting its all-time high of 70,000 USD per one BTC. Now, then we had a massive drop last week, coming all the way down to the lows of 53,000. This was quite a big one, and it did affect market in a big way. So that's why you find most of the cryptos are quite dropping down. If you check on the Binance coin, once again, check the same drops because it's like they fall. If you check on Litecoin, one and the same case. Most of this market, mostly they follow their leader, which is Bitcoin, including other minor cryptos. which are Litecoins, now, or what we term them as altcoins. That's why you find most of them, they are dropping down, including the WorldCoin. For those who were reading the WorldCoin, you can check now. At one point, it was over almost $15, almost $15, or around between $10-12 there. Now it's at an average of $3 to $5. So, but that's actually happens. So if you know the forex market, that means everything that dips down, we expect at least a bit of surge now. At least this drop was necessary, so that now the market then can regain the uptrend formation. Again, don't forget, guys, we also trade these uh, derivative.com volatility indices. And quite now, especially when the market is volatile, we are having a safe haven here. And if you check, especially something like step index, this was our free trade. I remember we had hit this entry around this point, and actually it moved up so smoothly. This was our last free signal on Friday. So the market has opened. It's on a Monday. Don't forget to follow all our social networks, especially on WhatsApp. This way you have our STF Forex Hub. The link is always on bio, and the number on STF Forex Hub. At STF Forex Hub, you'll find us here. And our offer for July is expiring today, midnight, this one. So if you need to be part of the mentorship group, you can check where you do these mentorships. This is another one for Telegram. The link is always there if you want, but our mentorship group is always there. I think I need to show you that one. You can check. We have a new membership. Guys are joining. These for subscribers for the signals, and these are for mentorships. We must have different groups, especially for those who are trading. So today we are adding all the others. Those who are joining on our on these offers for the technical strategy and the full forex course. Remember, when you get that, you get the free signals group here. So from STO Forex Hub, we will continue to make more money and make sure we are learning as we earn. The market is open. We are ready to start trading now. We are already analyzing the market. We are looking for better entries. So from STF Forex Hub, guys, then buy and remember what you're expecting on Thursday. That's CPN. Friday, PPN. On Wednesday, we have Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So that is key to check, especially for the currency. The good thing now about derivative.com indices, all the links to join and register and how to do this. We have a free PDF that I've come up with for this for the derivative.com, and all the guidances, they are there. When you're in our groups, you always earn as you learn. So thank you, guys. I'll see you in our next update. Thank you.